Hello, my name is Rupert Marshall and I work in the Institute of Biological, Environmental and Rural Sciences, or IBERS. The MRes is a 1-year, 12-month research scheme. The idea is that it provides lots of really good training for those interested in a career in research. There's only one semester of taught modules, and then the rest of the time, your other 2 semesters, are spent doing a major research project. It's like a mini PhD. A number of places that are offering PhDs these days require students to have a suitable research background or experience of research, and an MRes can provide that. It also provides all the skills you need in terms of statistical techniques, experimental design, hypothesis testing, data collection and analysis, so that you can hit the ground running as a PhD student. The opportunity to explain that research to the broader community is really important, and so one of our modules is actually based on students attending a major scientific conference in their field of research during their year here. They can either present their ideas or their results, if they have any at that stage, at that meeting. The important thing is that students have the opportunity to go and meet with others in their field, both other postgraduate students and other leading scientists in their field, not just here at Aberystwyth but worldwide. With the MRes, students will apply to a particular supervisor before they come here, a bit like applying for a PhD, and they'll have their project sorted before they arrive here in Aberystwyth. MRes students will be working with their supervisor for the 2 semesters that they work on their research project, and we usually encourage our supervisors to have regular meetings with their project students in addition to all the other members of the research lab in which they're working. Students who study the MRes here at Aberystwyth will be able to go out and go on to further research. They'll also be able to go into business and into research environments, from anything from GlaxoSmithKline to the farming industry to other related industries where research is really important. Apart from being on the coast here with the beautiful sunsets and the dolphins in the bay, which just make it a lovely place to live, our department is wide-ranging. It covers a huge area of science, from crop science and plant breeding through to animal behaviour and equine nutrition, microbiology and biochemistry. So we offer a wide variety of interdisciplinary research opportunities. If you're interested in studying an MRes here at Aberystwyth, it's important to contact potential supervisors as early as possible so you can discuss potential projects and ideas. They can then help you with that and put something together for your application. Most of my research is in the area of animal behaviour. In 2 major areas these days, I'm interested in animal communication and how animals communicate, how and why they do what they do, and in particular birdsong. Why do birds sing? We know it sounds pretty, but what does it mean from a biological point of view, and how are noisy cities affecting the ways that birds sing? The other aspect of my research is looking at personality in animals, animal personality, decision-making and rational choices. And for that we use tropical guppies, just domestic guppies, the sort you find in a pet shop. We can ask all sorts of interesting questions about who's a leader, who's a follower, who's bold and who's shy. Some fundamental questions for behavioural science and behavioural economics as well as psychology.